Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 49 of Mathematics 4024. We were discussing in the last lecture the percentages and we completed the scenario of basic questions. Today we are going to start question number 9, and that is the first question of intermediate level. So what the question is saying? The question is saying for each of the following represent the first quantity as a percentage of the second quantity. The first quantity should be written in the numerator and the second quantity should be written in the denominator. Ladies and gentlemen, they given us 25 seconds and 3.5 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that whenever we want to find the percentage, the quantities must be the same. Here one quantity is second and the second quantity is minutes. So they are saying first quantity is a percentage of second quantity. That is the first one is the second and multiplied by 100%. You don't have to write only 100. The percent symbol must also be there. So now we are converting 25 and 3.5 is equal to 210 seconds. We converted 3 hour and 30 minutes. 3 hour is 3.5 means 3 hours and half an hour. So 3 hour means 180 minutes and 30 when added it will become 210. So after the conversion of these things we will get 11 whole 19 over 21%. You can then confirm it. Similarly, we are having 45, so we have to write 45 in the numerator, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Both must be in the same units. So we converted this hour to 60 minutes, and then we can cancel this 0 with this one. 2 threes are and 2 fives are. 3 ones are and 3 15. So the answer will be 75%. 1 year and 4 months. So 1 year is 12 months and 4 months we will leave it as it is because we have converted both to the same unit. Now 12 months of the 4 months, so we have to convert this, cut it 3, and that will be equal to 300%. Yet yes, it is possible that it will be 300%. Now we are doing the the next D part, and D part is saying 15 millimeter to 1 meter. So we have to write 1 meter inside the millimeter. So 15 mm, and in 1 meter you must understand that there is 1000 millimeter, and then we have to introduce 100%. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. You have to keep that in mind. So 15 threes are, and that will be cut it with it, and it will come out to be 200, and these two zeros will be cancelled with this, and we will get the uh, 1 over 2, 3 over 2. So it will be equal to 1 whole 1 over 2% or 1.5%. Both are acceptable because it is not said in advance that convert this to that. Now 335 centimeter and 5 meter. Remember that in 1 meter there are 100 centimeter. So it means that there will be 500 centimeter multiplied by 100%. Because we are finding the percentage, we are cutting this one, and this is also this and 67. So it means that the answer will be 67%. Next one is 1 kilogram divided by 800 gram. So I am writing 1 kilogram divided by 800 gram multiplied by 100%. Remember that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, and that is 800 gram on its place. So, ladies and gentlemen, these two zeros will cut with these two zeros, and we have to multiply 1000 by 800, and that will be equal to uh, uh, 125%. I'm not wasting the time. You can confirm that by calculator. So that will be equal to 125%. Now 60 degree divide by 360 degree multiplied by 100%. This zero will be cancelled with this. 6 ones are 6 and 6 6 are 30. 2 threes are, and 2 50s are. So we can write it 50 divided by 3%, and it will be equal to 16 whole and 2 over 3%. 16 whole 2 over 3%. Ladies and gentlemen, these are very important questions. Such a question is also available, I am telling you in advance, in your paper 1 of mathematics. 63 cents and $210. So we are writing 63 and then 210 cents. Both are now in the same unit, and we have to introduce 100%. So $2 means 200 cents, and this is the cent after the decimal. So total is 210. Now I am cancel this uh, by this. Uh, yes, this is also 3 sevens are and 3 twos are and 3 ones 7 ones are and 7 threes are. So it means that it will be 30% of each other. Yes, this is the 30%. Now we are turning our focus to very important part, and that is question number 10. Question number 10 is saying find the value of each of the following. So they are saying that 6 whole 1 over 5% of 1.35 milliliter. So we can write it 6 whole 1 over 5%. And of yesterday I told you of means multiplication. And then we are getting 1.35 on its place. One more step, 5 6er and 131 divide by 5 divide by 100 multiplied by 1.35. Now when we are taking the reciprocal, so 31 divided by 600 multiplied by 1.3. No percent we have to write percent symbol. Already this percent is converted percent. So we are dividing it by this, and now we are going to find the value, and that will be what when we cut these things with each other and 1.3. So after everything it will be 837 divide by 10,000 milliliter. That will be the answer, because 837 is less than 10,000, so we are leaving it as it is. If it is not divisible and the answer is coming in decimal, we have to. But if 10,000 was in the numerator and 837 is in the denominator, then you had to divide it. Okay, the B part is saying that 56 whole 7 over 8. Let me confirm. Yes, 56 whole 7 over 8% of 810 meter. So again we will do the same thing. 56 whole 7 over 8 divide by 100 due to this percent, and of means multiplication, and 810. Now when we are multiplying this 8 into 56, so it will be 5 and 455 divided by 800 multiplied by 810. Now ladies and gentlemen, when we multiply this, let us confirm that 48 and 4. So 4, and when we add that 7 with it, 5, 5, 455. Yes, it is correct. So 455 divided by 800, and when we give a final touch to it, it will be 460 whole 460 whole 11 over 16 meter. That is the answer. You should now how I am getting these things because we did in one of the chapter in greater detail. So, ladies and gentlemen, 0.56% means we have to write 0.56 divide by 100 of 15,000 liters. 15,000 liter. I am doing in one step. To remove this decimal we have to introduce 100. For that decimal 1 and 2 zeros for these two digits after the decimal. So we will see that 56 divided by 10,000, there will be 40 and then there will be 15,000. These three zeros will cancel with these three zeros, and as a result we will get what? We will get the answer is 84 liter. You can confirm that it is 84 liter. So that was the part number D. There is also another part, and that is part number F. See, this is part number D, not F. So 2,000% of 5 cents. These are the, this is the symbol for the cents. So we are cutting these two zeros with these two zeros in the denominator, and it will be 100 cents. With this result, I always remember one of my students who got distinction in the mathematics. He wrote 1 cent here, 100 cent. Never we were being able to cut a mark from that student. He was intellectual. So he wrote this, and the answer was $1 because 100 cents is equal to $1. So I cut one mark of him, and that was only one time with the very minute mistake. I cut his one mark, and he accepted that I had to write $1 because in the book 100 cents is also correct, but we were finding a way to cut his marks. He was such a great person. Uh, Now we are doing question number 11, and first we have to understand the question. First we have to understand the question. 11 number question is saying the maximum number of marks attainable at a mathematics computation is 60. Remember that 60 are the total marks. Katie obtains 40 marks. Priya obtains 46 marks. Let me write the data. Total marks are 60. Katie obtained 40 marks. The second girl, her name is Priya, got 46 marks. Priya got 46 marks. And the third one is Nora, and she got how many marks? She got 49 marks. Now, this is the scenario so far. Understand the question. The examination board decides that those who score 80%, those who scores 80% will get what? 80% and above will get a gold award. Gold award. Next scenario is those who score 70% to 79. 70% to 79% will get what? The second type of inclusive marks will get a silver award. They will get a silver award. Another scenario, and those who score 60% to 69%, inclusive 60% to 69% inclusive will get the bronze award. That student will get the bronze award. This is total marks and that is 60. Now the question is asking, determine the type of award each girl gets. First of all, we have to find the KT percentage, and that is 40 divided by 60 multiplied by 100%. This 0 will be cancelled with this, and 2 3s are and 2 2s are. So, 2 3s are and 2 2s are 420 divided by 3. She will get 66% marks. 66 whole 2 over 3. 66 whole 2 over 3. When she is getting this scenario. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is her percentage, and she is falling in this category 60 and 69. She will get bronze medal. She will get, now it's the turn of Priya, and let us say that Priya, who got 46 out of 60 into 100, 2 3s are and 2 23s are. So, when we calculate it, the percentage of Priya is 76 whole 2 over 3%. Now, she is falling in this category. 70% to say, because 76 is in between the 70 and 79%, so she is eligible for getting silver award. Now it's the turn of Nora. So Nora percentage is she got 49 out of 60 multiplied by 100%. So this 0 will be cancelled with this one, and when we calculate her final percentage, it will be 81 whole 2 over 3. 81 whole 2 over 3%, and 80 and above all will get gold medal. So she is capable of gold award. So how beautifully we are doing all these daily lives phenomena in a very interesting way. These are not that much difficult, but if you are paying full attention to these things, then it will be now 12, 13, and 14 questions are remaining, and we cannot complete it today. So we are leaving it for tomorrow, and tomorrow we will start 8B exercise as well. So thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.